What's up world, Logan here and welcome to a different kind of video. This is a testing video. Today we've got this cup, the Crunchcup with us. This cup claims to be able to allow you to eat cereal without a bowl and a spoon. It is a portable cereal cup which you can bring on the road or drink from when you're multitasking. Let's see how it weighs up. So first off, this cup is made out of plastic. The whole thing is plastic. There are two compartments, one compartment for the milk and one compartment for the cereal. It can be taken out like this, and the cover can also be taken out. So yeah, let's test it out. First off, we're gonna take this out. According to the instructions, you can pour the milk into this level or this level. I am gonna try to put it into this level. Okay, milk is in. And now we have to put this back in. Screw this on. Now we have to take this out. Pour in some cereals. So after pouring in the cereals, we have to put this cover back on with the mouthpiece aligning to the drinking hole there. Okay, we're now all set. As you can see, there's milk and there are cereals. I don't think this cup of cereal is a full-size serving as the inner compartment is pretty small. So if you want a full serving of a bowl of cereals, then you might need 2 cups. So here we go. Let's try this out. Okay, first try. Got a lot of milk, but not so much of the cereal. According to the instructions, this is where the milk comes out from, and this is where the cereal comes out from. There's a hole in here where you can press onto it so that the milk won't flow out when you're taking in cereals. Or alternatively, you can use your lower lip or your tongue to close this compartment when you're having the cereal. So let's try this again. Okay, I think the trick in here is that you have to cover this hole when you take in the cereal. You are taking in the cereal first with the finger covering the hole at the top. And then you're going to take out this finger and pour in the milk. Then you'll have the whole bite of milk and cereal. Let's try this one more time. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. As you can see, the cereal is pretty much still here, but the milk is going quickly. To review, this cup is really good if you want to take your cereal on the go. It also separates the cereal and the milk chambers, so the cereal won't be too soggy. It's a creative alternative to using a bowl and a spoon. But usage-wise is not the best because the transition of drinking the cereal is not that smooth. You have to take in the cereal first and then take in the milk and then mix them up together. So for someone like me who prefers a little bit more soaked cereal and for the milk and cereal to mix better, this might be a little problem. And also when you're trying to drink from the cup, there might be 1 or 2 drops of milk dribbling down your chin because of the size that your mouth has to open to take in both the cereal and the milk. So this might be a con that you would need to consider before buying this. But overall, I think this Crunchcup is a good alternative to the bowl and spoon solution to cereal, and you can take cereals on the go. So yeah, this is the Crunchcup. Let me know if you have tried this before, or if you would like to try it, or if you have any questions. That's it for now. Log out.